Hey creators, welcome back to the channel where we dive into smart strategies for blogging and content creation. If you're overwhelmed with content demands, this one's for you. Today, we're unpacking how AI completely changes how we blog, write, and create content online. From generating entire blog drafts in minutes to designing social graphics and even planning your SEO, AI is more than a trend. It's a tool that can save time, spark creativity, and help you stay ahead of the curve. But how do you use AI without sounding robotic? That's what we're getting into today. Let's talk tools. Here are some of my go-to AI resources that have completely changed my blogging workflow. ChatGPT, Jasper. Great for drafting intros, outlining posts, or rewriting clunky sections. Canva's Magic Write. Perfect for quick social captions, headers, or repurposing blog content. Grammarly plus Hemingway. AI-powered editing tools to keep your writing sharp and readable surfer. SEO/phrase. These help align your posts with what your audience is already searching for. The secret? Use AI to support your unique voice, not replace it. Creating content is only half the game. Knowing what to make is just as important. Here's how I find what's hot and where AI can help. Google Trends. Spot rising topics in your niche. YouTube and blog search suggestions. See what real users are typing in. Quora, Reddit, Facebook groups. Real people, real questions. Real content ideas. AI tools like vidIQ or SEMrush. These can surface high potential keywords before they explode. Once your content is out there, how do you make it stick? Here's how to drive engagement using AI plus Creator Smarts. Use AI to brainstorm click-worthy titles and descriptions. Turn blog posts into threads, carousels, or reels with AI rephrasing tools. Ask your audience. Use polls, Q&A, or your blog comments to keep the conversation going. Schedule trend-based posts ahead of time with AI-generated content calendars. AI gives you more time to do the stuff that matters. Connecting with your readers. Let's keep it real. AI isn't magic. It can't replace you. It doesn't know your voice, your story, or your readers' pain points like you do. But it can speed up the process, crush creative blocks, and help you focus on strategy instead of stress. Whether you're a solo blogger juggling a million tasks or a content team scaling fast, AI can be a game changer. The future of content creation isn't man or machine. It's man with machine. If you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content like this. Let me know in the comments. How are you using AI in your blogging journey? Or is this your first time diving in? Thanks for watching.